Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Math School. On this channel, I teach all the videos related to class 10th Insert Math. So in today's video, let us take up question number 3 from exercise 5.1, chapter 5, areas related to circles. In my previous videos, I have completed question number 1, question number 2 and example problems from the same exercise. If you have not watched those videos, do find the link in the description box below. Also, I have completed videos related to other important chapters such as arithmetic progression, triangles, pair of linear equations, quadratic equations, coordinate geometry, trigonometry, real numbers and circles. Again, link for all this is provided in the description box below. So do watch the video till the end and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel so that I can make more such videos for you guys. Now quickly let us begin with the video. Question number 3 from chapter 5, areas related to circle, exercise 5.3 says, figure 5.3 depicts an archery target marked with its 5 scoring regions from center outward as gold, red, blue, black and white. The diameter of the region representing gold score is 21 cm and each of the other bands is 10.5 cm wide. Find the area of each of the 5 scoring regions. Right, so here they have given us a figure also. So the first region is the gold region, which is a complete circle, and the other regions are red, blue, black and white, where you can observe that there is a band formation around this. Also, here you can see that there are concentric circles. Diameter of the gold circle is given and the width of the other color bands are given, that is 10.5 cm wide. So we have to find out area of each of these region, that is the gold region, which is a complete circle, whereas the red, blue, black and white forms band around this gold circle. Okay, so this red region is not a complete circle, whereas it is a band around this gold region. Okay, you can also observe that these regions, that is red, blue, black and white, are in the form of concentric circles. So here we will basically use the formula used to find out area enclosed by 2 concentric circles. So let me show here. We have a circle and another circle inside this circle with same radius. So these are 2 concentric circles having the same center and different radius. So radius of the first circle will be different and the radius of the second circle will be different. So this is a smaller circle and this is a bigger circle. So let us name this as R and capital R. So in this case of concentric circles, we have to find out area of this region. Okay, so to find out area of this region, there is a formula. So using that formula, we can find out the area enclosed by 2 concentric circles. So let me write down the formula first. So this formula is very much important to solve this kind of question. So area enclosed by 2 concentric circles is given by pi r square minus pi r square. So here you can observe that capital R is the radius of the bigger circle and small r is the radius of the smaller circle. So we have to take pi r square, area of the larger circle minus the area of the smaller circle will give you the area enclosed by these 2 circles, that is this area. Okay, so this we have to find out in case of red region, blue, black and white region. Okay, whereas in the case of gold region, which forms a complete circle, we will apply our normal formula of our area of a circle, that is area of a circle is given by pi r square. Also here for this formula, we can further simplify this formula by taking pi common. So here we will have in brackets r square minus small r square, which is in the form of a square, which is in the form of our identity a square minus b square. So that identity result is a plus b into a minus b. So this we will apply here to simplify this formula, that is pi into r plus small r, capital R minus small r. So using this formula, we will find out the area of each of this region. So now first of all, let's take one circle at a time. Okay, so let us first take the gold region, which is a complete circle. So let us take this radius as R1, small r1. So first we will calculate radius of this circle. So let us first write down for gold region, diameter of the gold region is given here, that is 21 centimeter. Okay, so let us write down what is given first. Diameter of gold is equal to 21 centimeter. Now this is the diameter. Now we have to find out the radius to determine the area of this gold region, right? So radius of gold is equal to, what is the radius formula when diameter is given? Radius is equal to diameter divided by 2. So dividing 21 by 2, we will get 10.5 centimeter. So radius of the gold region is 10.5 centimeter. So therefore R1 is equal to 10.5 centimeter. Now let us calculate area of gold region. Area of gold region is equal to pi r square. Instead of r square, I am taking R1 because here the radius of the gold region is R1. So I am taking pi R1 square. Okay, so now simplify by substituting the values. The value of pi, you know that we have to take it as 22 divided by 7 always. So that will be 22 divided by 7 into R1 value is 10.5. So since it is R1 square, so I'll take it as 10.5 into 10.5. Okay, so here decimal points are there. So just remove the decimal points by adding 10 to the denominator. So now let us cancel. So 5 2s are 10. 5 2s are 10, 5 1s are. Similarly here, 5 2s are 10, 5 2s are 10, 5 1s are 5. So here we have 7, 1 times, 7, 3 times. Now this 2 can be cancelled to 1 times, to 11 times. So here we have 11 into 3 into 21. So this is 11 into 3 is 33 into 21 divided by 2. Okay. So we will multiply and find out the result for this. That is 21 into 33. So 3 1 times is 3. 3 2s are 6 into 3 1s are 3. 3 2s are 6. This is 396 divided by 2. Okay. So that is 693. So 693 divided by 2. So cancelling 2 1 times. 2 3s are 6. 2 4s are 8, carry 1, 2 6s are 12. Again 1 is left. So adding 0 to this, we have to add a point here. So again 2 5s are, we can cancel this again. So this 2 5s are 10. So therefore area of gold is how much? 346.5 centimeter square. So we are taking centimeter square because area we are finding here. So this is how we find out area of the gold region. Now our second region is a red region, right? So for this red region, let us take the radius of the red region to be R2. Now here we have two concentric circles, right? To find out area, now we will use this formula, that is area enclosed by concentric circle is pi r square minus pi r square, because we have to find out this area, the red color region area we have to find out. So we will apply this formula. So write down for red, what is the radius of the red region? We have taken as R. So radius of red is equal to, here the radius of red will be equal to radius R1 plus the width of the band given. What is the width of the band of each band given? It is 10.5 centimeters, right? So radius R2 will be equal to R1 plus width of the band given. So you can write down radius R1 or radius of gold, that is nothing but R1 plus width of the band gives the radius R2. Okay, R1 is 10.5 centimeters plus width of the band given is again 10.5. So R2 will be equal to, adding you get 21 centimeter. Okay, so in this manner first we will find out the radius and then we will calculate area in each of the bands. Okay, now let us calculate area of red. Okay, for this I told you before that we are using this formula, that is pi into radius of the bigger circle. Radius of bigger circle is R2. So we will take it as R2 square minus pi into area of the smaller circle. So in this case our smaller circle is the gold circle whose area is R1. So it is R1 square, right? So again you can take pi common. So what is the value of R2? We found out R2 is 21. So it is 21 square minus R1 is 10.5 the whole square, right? So again pi value is 22 divided by 7 into, here it is in the form of a square minus b square, which we can apply the identity and we can write a plus b into a minus b. So a plus b will be 21 plus 10.5 into a minus b will be 21 minus 10.5. Okay, so how much this is going to be? That will be 22 divided by 7 into 21 plus 10.5 is 31.5 into 21 minus 10.5 is 10.5. Again, you can remove the decimal points here by adding 10 to the denominator. Okay, so this will be easier for us to cancel. So 5 2s are 10, 5 6s are 30, carry 1, so 5 3s are 15, then 5 2s are 10, again we have 5 2s are 10, 5 1s are 5, 7 1 times, 7 9s are 63, 2 1 times, 2 11s are 22. So this is 11 into 9 will be 99 into 21 divided by 2. So let us first multiply 99 into 21. So 1 into 9 is 9, 1 into 9 is 9, into 9 2s are 18, carry 1, 9 2s are 18, 90. Okay, so this is 9, 9 plus 8 is 17, carry 1, 0, 1 plus 9 is 0, 9 plus 1 is 10, carry 1, 2. So 2079. So 2079 divided by 2. So 2 1 times, 2 1 times, 0, 2 3s are 6, carry 1, 2 9s are 18, then 1 is a remainder. So when you add a point, you can add a 0. So cancel this again, 2 5s are 10, so get 5 here. So therefore, area of red region is equal to 1039.5 centimeter square. Okay, now similarly, let us find out area for blue region. So for blue region, so here let us consider in the figure area of blue circle or blue band be R3. So here radius of the blue region be R3. So now let us calculate the radius first. Radius of blue be equal to R3. So if you look at here, the radius R3 is the sum of R2 plus the width of the given band, right? So we will write here radius of red, which is R2 plus width of the band. So that is radius of R2 is given as 21 centimeters plus width was given as 10.5 centimeters. So totally R3 will be the sum of these two, which will be equal to 31.5 centimeter. Okay, so we got the radius R3. Now we can calculate area of blue. This blue circle is the outer circle and we will take red as the inner circle. Okay, so that will be pi, area of the larger circle, pi into, now radius of the larger circle is R3 square minus radius of the inner circle we are taking as red circle. So that will be R2 square. That is the radius of red circle, right? So now let us substitute. Pi value is 22 divided by 7 into R3 square minus R2 square. Again, we can apply the identity and write this as R3 plus R2 and R3 minus R2, right? So this will be 22 divided by 7 into R3 value is 31.5 and R2 value is 21. 31.5 plus 21 into 31.5 minus 21. So that will be 22 divided by 7 into 31.5 plus 21 is 52.5 into 31.5 minus 21 is 10.5. So again we will remove this decimal point by adding 10 to the denominators and cancel. 5 2s are 10, 5 1s are 5, add a 0, 5 5s are 25. Again 5 2s are 10, 5 2s are 10, 5 1s are 5. Now cancelling again, we have 7 1 times, 7 1s are 7, 3 is a carryover. So 7 5s are 15. So again 2 1 times, 2 11 times. So we will get here 11 into 15 into 21 divided by. So you can multiply all these values. So result you will get as 3465 10.5 divided by 2. So please multiply and find out this result. So when you divide this, 2 1 times, so 2 1 times, carry 1, 2 7s are 14, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, so 1 will be a remainder. So adding a point and 0, we can write 2 5s are 10. So therefore, area of blue is equal to 1732.5 centimeter square. Okay, so this is the value. Now let us find out the area of black region. Okay, so for black, again same procedure is followed here. So now let us take the radius of this black region to be R4. So radius of black is equal to R4, and that is nothing but R4 will be sum of radius of the blue region plus the width of the band, that is R3 plus the width of the band, right? So I'm writing that directly, that is radius R3 plus width of the band, that is given as 10.5 centimeters. And what is R3 value? R3 is 31.5 centimeters, that is 31.5 plus 10.5, therefore R4 value will be equal to 42 centimeters. Again, we will find out area by using concentric circle formula. Area of black. Now to find out area of the black, we will consider the smaller circle as the blue circle and the bigger circle will be our black circle. So pi into, what is the radius of the bigger circle? We are taking it as R4. So it is R4 square minus, then the radius of the smaller circle, that is the blue circle, is R3. So it is R3 square. Okay, so now again substituting, pi value is 22 divided by 7 into, we will apply the identity and write, that is R4 plus R3 into R4 minus R3. So this will be 22 divided by 7 into R4 value, we got it as 42, plus R3 is 31.5 centimeters, 73.5 centimeters into R4 minus R3 is 42 minus 31.5, which is, again remove the decimal by dividing by 10, cancel, 5 2s are 10, 5 1s are 5, 2 carry over, 5 4s are 20, 3 carry over, so 5 7s are 35, then 5 2s are 5 2s are 5 1s are, now again we can cancel here 7, 7 1 times, 7 2s are 14, 7 1s are 7, so 2 1 times and 2 11 times. So this will be how much? 11 into 21 into 21 divided by, so when you multiply and divide, you will get the result as 240.25.2 centimeter square. So this is the area of black region. Now similarly, let us find out area of white region. Okay, this is the last region for white. Now for this, let us take the radius of the white region to be R5. Okay, so write down radius of white is equal to R5, which is nothing but the sum of radius of black region plus the width of the band. Okay, so radius of black region is R4 plus width of the band given is 10.5 centimeters. So R4 value is 42 centimeters. Okay, so 42 plus 10.5, that is R5. Radius of white is R5 equal to 52.5 centimeter. Right, so now we will find out area of white. So area of white will be pi into, here a bigger circle is a white circle and a smaller circle is the black circle. So radius of the bigger circle is R5 square minus smaller circle is R4 the whole square. So pi value is 22 divided by 7 into R5 value we found out to be 52.5 the whole square minus R4 is 42. So 42 square. Applying the identity again, it is a plus b into a minus b, that is 22 divided by 7, 52.5 plus 42 into 52.5 minus 40. Okay, so if you do that, you will get 22 divided by 7 into, so 52.5 plus 42 is 94.5 into 52.5 minus 42 is 10.5. Again, remove the decimal by adding 10 to the numerator. So here we can cancel again. 5 2s are 10, 5 1s are 5, 4 is the remainder, 5 8s are 40, again 4 is the remainder, 5 9s are 45, 5 2s are 5 2s are 5 1s are, so 7 1 times, 7 1s are 7 2s are 14, carry 4, 7 7s are 49. So 2 1 times, 2 11 times. So this will be how much? 11 into 27 into 21 divided by. So when you multiply and divide, you will get a result here as 3118.5 centimeters square. So therefore, area of white is equal to 3118 centimeters square. Right, so this is how we find out area of each region. This is a lengthy problem, but it is very much easier, where you have to apply this important formula for concentric area of the concentric circle, that is pi in radius of the bigger circle square minus pi into radius of the smaller circle square. So this is how we solve this question number 3. If you have any further doubts, you can comment me below in the comment section. Also, watch the related videos of this chapter 5 areas related to circles shown on the screen. If you like my video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.